Previously on the Healthy Hair Reset. And we have heat damage as well. Just so you guys can see the difference, I'm definitely going to do another braid out. Y'all, not only is this look super simple to do, it literally takes no time at all. If you are a natural hair girly looking for low maintenance hairstyles, this video is definitely for you. Girl, I have been on my natural hair care journey, as y'all know, for my fine low porosity hair. And I've been doing the twist outs and all the things. I've been showing you guys how to moisturize. Now it's time to get into some hairstyles again, okay? Now, I don't know where I've been or why I never heard about Yanky Twist, but girl, as soon as I ran across them, I just knew I had to bring it to my community. And I have to say, I was inspired by one of my favorite hair creators right here on YouTube, and I will link her video down below, so make sure y'all check that out as well. Now, girl, the only thing that I ask is that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. One of the best techniques that you can use for fine hair when crocheting is waiting until your braids get a little older. This is a week and a half to 2 weeks after I got this braid down, so I just wore like a half wig until my braids loosened up. This is going to be great for when we need to use our crochet hook to install the hair. The less tension, the better, trust me. Now, you will need a few things to achieve this look. I love using the Dew Mousse. It works very well. And I like to do a mixture of apple cider vinegar water and a little bit of aloe vera juice, your crochet needle, and of course this 3-way mirror. Y'all, all of this stuff will be linked down in the description box, and you can't forget about your hair. Now, what I like to do is separate the hair. So all you gotta do is pull it, separate it, and then I like to distress the hair as well. So I kind of just press my thumb against the hair until it gets a little bit frizzy, but not too much. Now, it is all up to personal preference. You don't have to do that step. I just like to do it to create a more natural look. Let's get into crocheting the hair. Now, if you have never crocheted hair into your own head, or you have never used a crochet hook before, it can be a little daunting, but I'm telling you girls, this is the easiest installation that you're going to find. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the beginner friendly way, step by step. Now, the first thing that you want to do is insert your crochet hook underneath your braid. Now, you want to open the latch on your hook, attach the hair to the hook, close the latch, pull it through the braid halfway, creating this loop of hair. Now, you really want to think about this loop of hair like a rubber band, okay? So you're just going to open up that loop of hair, and you're just going to pull one strand through that loop. And then you're going to turn, pull the hair through, turn, pull the hair through, just like you would a rubber band. And then you're going to pull the hair down to secure it in place. Then you just repeat the process. I am going to repeat this process more than once in this video, so if you didn't get it this time, keep watching. Slow the video down if you have to. I'm telling you, this is an easy installation. It took me a minute too, but you got this. Now for me, I did get 2 different shades of hair. I got a number 2, and then I got this brown shade. I wanted the brown more towards the front, so I really wanted to be intentional about keeping the number 2, which is a darker shade, toward the back, and just adding a few accents in the front. This is literally one of the best no leave out hairstyles that you can do. So it's cool that you can just have fun with this look. So I encourage you to definitely learn how to do these simple styles, especially for the DIY girls that like a low maintenance, effortless hairstyle that they can do right at home. And I don't know about y'all, but I love to save a coin. So this style will always be super affordable as well. I know this will definitely be a staple in your hairstyle rotation. And for the most natural results that will last even longer, you can literally do the same method using real human hair as well. I will go ahead and link some of my favorite human hair crochet available right now on my LTK. Everything will be down below in the description box.